So guys, kakabalik ko lang school kanina, yung umaga pa lang. Hapon na kami nakapunta dito sa bahay kasi nag-aral. Anyways, nakasulat na ako ng mga pangalan ng mga bago kong followers. Ito po ang mga siya po yan, yung bagong follower. Mag-like kayo at subscribe at comment so mailista kita sa listahan ko. At magiging bago na ang listahan ko. Nakit kayo ng 1,000 million Pro Max likes and subscribe so I can reach the diamond play button, please. Guys, in 1 million subscribers, 1,000 infinity. Please, I really need that. I really need that diamond play button. Please! Anyways, magbabago yung listahan ko pag i-reveal ko yung secret ko. Pag na-hit nyo ako ng 1 million subscribers at like, i-reveal ko yung secret ko. So please comment down below and who is your favorite character and Apmao. Kilala niyo si Apmao? Paborito ko siya. I hope Apmao is watching this. Just give me a like, and I love Apmao so much. And I talk everything about it. My favorite characters. Every girls in there, I love them, but I love Apmao more. And I can reveal secret Apmao and Eren. Apmao's secret, they have children, and there's one boy, and they're so cute. Apmao just get born. And the name of daughter is Juliet and Julian. Oh, never mind, that's not their name. But Juliet is Juliet. Heard what I said? Get me in 1 million, 1,000 million.